Good morning student. Now start with preparation of alkyne. First, from dihalide. First from dihalide case. Clear? When take an example, CS2 here Br means naming compound 1,2-dibromoethane reacts with alcoholic KOH and this one be the alcoholic KOH in presence of concentrated H2SO4 means elimination reaction take place. Clear? Expand this molecule this one reacts with suppose 2 moles of alcoholic KOH, 1 KOH and another KOH. Here charge on potassium B positive and OH negative. Here charge on potassium positive and OH negative. Here charge on Br negative, charge on Br negative, charge on H positive, charge on H positive. This K positive with Br negative and this OH negative with H positive and this K with Br and this OH with H combined and release 2 moles of KBr and release 2 moles of H2O. Here form double bond and here form triple bond and gives the formation of CH triple bond CH means conversion 1,2-dibromoethane to ethyne. 1,2-dibromoethane to ethyne. Clear? Means molecule convert single bond to triple bond from dihalide get alkyne and the reaction follow the process of elimination reaction. This reaction follow the process of elimination reaction. Second, from tetrahalide. Example CH Br its IUPAC 1122 tetrabromoethane reacts with 2 moles of zinc in presence of methanol and heat. It gives ZnBr2 second mole ZnBr2 release ZnBr2 and it gave the formation of again ethyne molecule, gives the formation of ethyne. It is the example of alkyne. First from dihalide, second from tetrahalide and third from haloform. Third from haloform. When chloroform CHCl3 reacts with 2 moles of CHCl3 reacts with Az. Clear? It gave the formation of how to reaction takes place. CH Cl, Cl, Cl. Ag reacts CH, Cl, Cl, Cl. 1 Ag with 1 Cl, 6 Ag with 6 Cl, and release 6 AgCl. This half bonds combined with this bonds and gives the formation of triple bond, and it gives CH triple bond CH, means this molecule chloroform gives ethyne on elimination in all reactions. First from dihalide, tetrahalide and haloform, in all cases elimination process takes place. And fourth one, from haloalkane. Haloalkane can be represented by Rx. It is also known as alkyl halide. It is also known as alkyl halide, and it can be represented by Rx. Take an example of CH3X reacts with sodium ethyne in presence of liquid ammonia. In presence of liquid ammonia. Simple, we can say that this conversion from haloalkane to higher alkyne, and this gives alkyne to higher alkyne. Conversion of lower alkyne to higher alkyne. Charge on Na positive and charge on X negative combine, release NaX, and it gives the formation of CH3C triple bond CH. We can say that here, naming methyl halide. This one is methyl halide, and this sodium ethyne to propyne. Simply ethyne to propyne, lower ethyne to higher ethyne. These are the preparations of alkynes. Student, in next class we discuss about the chemical properties of alkyne. Thank you.